and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour of this stunning Volkswagen Golf R-Line finished in a lovely Moonstone Grey paint. This is a 2-litre diesel DSG that has £5,800 worth of additional options. Got your LED headlights and your illuminated front grille. You've also got your 18-inch alloy wheels and the R-lining around the car. You also have your rear tinted glass, which is great for privacy for any passengers. And the car is covered just under 2,000 miles from new. So I'll just pop open the boot. And as you can see, we've got plenty of space for any shopping or storage, and you do have your spare wheel under there too. So moving to the rear interior, it's finished in a lovely black cloth. You've got the exterior illuminated styling elements at the sides. Got your aircon down here. You've also got 2 fitted Isofix, so it's great if you've got any children travelling with you. And then you've also got your centre armrest with cup holders. Now moving to the front, you can see it's a stunning interior. You've got the sport front seats with the R embroidery. You've got your touchscreen display, including your additional head-up display. Moving through the screen, we've got your wireless app connect. Got your DAB digital radio for your music needs. You'd adjust the volume just here. We've got the sat nav, which is nice and clear, easy for you to use when you're on the road. And then we also have an additional Harman case stereo system. And then we also have 30 customisable colour options for you to choose from, depending on how you feel. This car also comes with a rear view camera and parking sensors to help you park your new car. And then we also have your climate control and heated seats, which is included in the winter pack. Moving down, we've got your DSG gearbox with the start and stop function. I'll just give you a close-up of the seats. Just take you around the dash. And you've got your digital cockpit pro with the customisable menu. Got your lights, your electric front and rear windows. And this car also comes with a panoramic sunroof, so you close the blind just here. And then we've got an emergency SOS button. If you would like any more information on the car, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.